Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Here's an official guide to transferring your WhatsApp data from your old iPhone to your new one. Before the beginning, prepare both iPhones, connect both iPhones to the same Wi-Fi network and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. On your old iPhone, go to Settings, Chats, Transfer Chats from iPhone. Tap Start to initiate the transfer. On your new iPhone, enter your phone number when prompted. Note, if you encounter an issue during this process, which can happen occasionally, simply delete and reinstall WhatsApp on your new iPhone. After reinstalling, enter your phone number again. Use the QR code option to transfer your data directly without needing a backup. Once the transfer is complete, your chats and media will be ready. The second method, back up your chats on your old iPhone. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Tap Backup now to create a backup on iCloud. Make sure to enable the Include Videos option if needed. On your new iPhone, install WhatsApp and log in with the same phone number. Follow the prompt to restore your chat history from iCloud. If you prefer a direct and more versatile transfer method, consider using tools like Joyoshare WhatsApp Transfer. These tools allow you to move your WhatsApp data easily, even without relying on iCloud or QR codes. Connect both the source and destination devices to the computer and click Trust this computer. To ensure faster and smoother data transfer, the destination device must be logged into WhatsApp accounts. And Find My must be turned off. Open Joyoshare WhatsApp Transfer. Check and confirm the device information on the screen. If the information doesn't match, manually adjust it using the drop-down menu. After confirming the information, click Transfer to start the data transfer. The transfer process will take some time, so please be patient. Ensure that the device remains unlocked during the transfer. You can adjust the auto-lock settings to Never in the settings to avoid interruptions. After the data transfer, you can check your device to confirm that all data has been transferred. Joyoshare has officially kicked off its Black Friday sale. Enjoy massive discounts and an exciting buy one get one free offer. Don't miss this unbeatable deal.